HAPLAST Group, one of Vietnam's leading packaging manufacturers and exporters. With over 18 years of experience, we operate a modern factory with a total capacity of more than 50,000 tons per year, supported by a team of dedicated professionals. Today, HAPLAST stands as a trusted partner, supplying packaging to over 90 countries worldwide. We are proud to collaborate with major corporations such as Walmart, ALDI, Dollar Tree, The Home Depot, and Lotte. This year, HAPLAST is participating in Pack Expo Las Vegas, one of the world's largest packaging exhibitions, reaffirming our reputation and commitment to innovation. Let's come to meet HAPLAST at Pack Expo Las Vegas, where we showcase our position as a reliable packaging partner for global brands.